How to get your money back on Temu without returning the order. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of view. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Go to the option of customer support. Open it. Now tap on the option of contact us. Now over here you will see the message box. Type in "Can I get a refund?" and send it. After you send it, you will get this kind of pop-up. Which order do you need help with? You have to tap on the option of select order and then select the order for which you want to get the refund and continue the conversation with Temu customer service. Explain about the product, give the reason why do you want the refund and about the product details. After you provide details about your product and explain why do you want refund, and if Temu agrees with that, you will get the refund without returning the item. So this was all for this video. This is how you can get your money back on Temu without returning the order. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.